Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. So once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Pancakeswap. Keep watching this video till the end because in this video, I'm talking about the urgent alert warning of the pancake, my friends. So before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel and please like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, the current price of the pancake swap in the market is 1.19.36 USD dollar. 19.36 USD dollar is the current price of the pancake swap. Now this time the price of the pancake swap is pumped and very high price. Absolutely, my friends, price is going high. Anyways, if we talk about the price change, so the price change is positive, my friends. That is why the price take a jump. The price change is positive the last 1 hour, so that means that the last 1 hour they are in the jumping mood. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the pancake swap, my friends. Unbelievable change occur. I can't believe that pancake swap will take a jump in the future. Anyways, let's see the price chart. What's going on? Oh my goodness. In the start of June, the pancakes are gradually start moving upward. But they are very slowly starts move upward. I hope that they will give you good amount of profit, my friends. Anyways, I recommend for everyone it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends, because if you see the last 1 month price is over in the pancake swap, so they are negative. Last 1 month pricing is negative. So if you decide to sell, so you're in the loss, and if you decide to hold, absolutely you will get a profit, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.